Hi, so this is the video, Where is Art Education in Salem Kaiser Elementary Schools? And I believe if you click on this button, you can click here, Add Translations. You'll simply have to add in, you'll have to put in your Google account or your YouTube account at shemeketa.edu. That's me. And then I think I put in my password. And then it's going to bring me to this page. And you click up here for Add New Subtitles, search other languages. I wonder, Spanish? Ooh, that's not spelt right. Spanish. I think United States will work. And then you can click Create New Subtitles. And so for each of these little timestamps, you can write in what is being said in English. I think this will totally work. Thank you so much. I'll say more in my email probably.